Hi friends, welcome to your own channel Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make cheese white sauce. With very few ingredients, let's quickly start making it. Start to heat up a saucepan. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to it. Now to this butter add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Roast till the raw aroma diminishes. Keep the flame on a low heat while roasting the plain flour. This will take approx 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring continuously. When the plain flour is done, just use a whisker and add in cold milk so that there are no lumps, and the whisker will help the plain flour to blend well with the milk. Give a vigorous mix. Add salt to taste. Slowly you will see the milk has become thick. So further add in some more milk and again whisk it, so it will again start to become thick. I'll keep on adding milk till I get a consistent consistency or sauce like consistency. You can see the sauce has again become thick, so I'll add some more milk. If you want to give a flavor to the white sauce, you can also add in 1 teaspoon of mashed garlic to the butter and then add in the plain flour. So that will give a nice garlicky flavor. You can add in your favorite herbs like parsley, basil or mixed herbs. Now here you can see the sauce has again become thick, so I have added some more milk. This has approximately absorbed around 500 ml of milk. Now this consistency is perfect because I'll be adding cheese to this sauce, so it will again become thick. So this is around 200 grams of cheese which I am adding to the white sauce. This white sauce I am making for the pasta, so I am adding the cheese in the white sauce itself. If you want to keep the white sauce as it is and mix in some other herbs, you can do that. Add pinch of nutmeg powder. This gives a nice aroma to the white sauce. You can also use a pinch of cinnamon powder or pinch of black pepper powder. It's your choice what taste you want to give to the white sauce. Now this consistency is perfect because as this white sauce will cool down, it will become much more thicker. Mix vigorously till the cheese melts. It combines well with the white sauce. The cheese white sauce is ready. Use it for the pasta or use it as a dip by mixing other flavors to it.